Hey guys, today we're gonna replace the Nissan's air filter. I have this Nissan NV200 2017, and we're gonna replace it with this. So this, I got this at Napa store for $769 plus tax, so it's $823. And this is the air filter right here. So we're gonna try to compare that with the old one that I have in the van. Let's take it out. Alright. By the way, this air filter is actually from Germany, so from what the salesman told me. Alright, this is a little bit dirty. So this is the original that came with it, so you guys can see. And this is the new one. Not much difference, looks the same, except for this little lining here. It has a little guide, I guess a wooden guide or something. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this like so, like that. Make sure everything is snug, and you just put it like that, like so. There you go. And it looks like it just fits there snugly. So, okay. And there you go. This is the original. Now it has the new air filter in it, so it should, I want to say, run smoother. Thank you guys for watching. This is my new air filter replacement for my Nissan NV200. Have a good day, guys.